Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another video. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Kristi. Normally on my channel, I share meal preps, meal plans, weight loss related things, WW points, calories. Today's video is not that. Today's video, I'm gonna be sharing some requested clips. So it's kind of like a vlog, but not really a vlog. I'm not like gonna take you along with me for the weekend or anything like that. But I did take some clips of when my granddaughter was born. So many of you know our granddaughter was born on August 20th and our grandson Logan got to meet her, and I have a video of that. We actually kept Logan, our grandson, while my son and daughter-in-law went and had the baby girl. Her name is Lyla Rose. So I have a few clips of the couple days that we were with our grandson. We took him to the park. He got to see a train for the first time, and oh my gosh, his face is so adorable. When he hears the train and realizes it's right there in front of him, he's just like, you can see it. You'll see the clip when it comes to it. So I'm just going to be throwing a few clips together, not really sharing like points or anything. I will be sharing with you when Logan made pizzas for us one night. So no guarantees. This is just going to kind of be a bunch of clips thrown together. What's coming? Is it a train? Is it a train? Here it comes again. What do you think of that? You like the trains? Hello!
No, this isn't. I wouldn't slide down there. There you go.
Woo!
Look at the. Climb that.
Climb this, Logan.
Keep going.
Yeah, just stand next to him. I'm afraid he's gonna slip.
Come on, bud. Look at you.
Good job. What are you doing, Logan? You making cheese?
One.
Are you making us pizzas?
One.
Careful. Okay, what are you putting on there now? What are those? Pesimonis? Oh, so you're putting pesimonis on there? How many do you put on each one?
2, 3, 1. Wow.
Wow. Doing a pretty good job there. They look pretty tasty. Okay, I think you can spread them out, Logan. You don't need that many pepperoni on one. That's a pepperoni lover's bagel. Are you eating your pizza that you made? You like that turkey pepperoni, don't you? You like that turkey pepperoni?
He's like, I don't know what you're talking about.
Pessimony, he calls it.
Get the ball!
Shit!
It sounded like you're saying, get out. You got Papa? You got Papa?
Got you, Papa! What the? What is he doing? Yeah! I got you.
Oh my gosh! Uh-oh, you got Papa.
Oh my God! You are just tormenting me! No. Hey, look who's waving now! No, not gonna happen. It's gonna happen. You're so funny.
Logan, look at the shark. He's swimming.
Uh-oh, here he comes.
He's scared. It's not real. It's just a toy, Logan.
It's a toy, buddy.
It's just a toy.
Watch this one.
That thing's pretty cool.
Huh?
That thing's pretty cool.
Yeah, I know.
That was what? You got that at Walmart?
Yeah.
Walmart, $30.
Huh?
He doesn't want it, he said. You swimming away from it?
See if he wants the ice cream cone floating.
Oh, yeah. You want the ice cream cone float?
Papa shut it off.
See the ice cream cone? You want to get on it? No?
I'm taking him out.
Kick those feet. Kick those feet. Good job. What'd you say to Papa? Kick, Papa. Kick. Kick, Papa. Mommy got you a present.
I got you a present. What is that?
Who is that?
Who is that?
Baby.
Is that baby?
Is that baby Lyla?
Baby Lyla.
Is that your sister? Uh-oh.
Oh.
Look, Logan. She's not in mommy's belly anymore. Look,
She came out of Mommy's belly.
remember? She was in here. Now she's right there.
Oh.
Baby.
Justin's not recording nothing. I gave my phone for nothing.
Justin, record.
Make sure.
Oh.
You want to say baby?
Baby.
Say hi, Lyla.
How are you?
See your little hat? My boo. My boo boo. Don't touch it.
Boo boo.
God don't know it.
This is your sister.
Allie.
Yeah.
Allie.
She's super interested.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Her foot?
Her foot's in there.
This book.
Yeah.
Her little hands are in here. She's probably hungry.
Thanks.
No, those are feet. Look,
Want her to hold your hand? Give her your finger.
like this. Here's your finger. Your finger, right?
Aww.
See? Who's
You're a big brother, aren't you? I hope you liked it. I hope you enjoyed kind of seeing a little bit more of our family life rather than me meal prepping. So thank you all so much for watching. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. I'll talk to you in my next video. I'm Kristi and I'm planning us healthy.